Now here's the deal with cash deposits on Revolut app. So if you're using Revolut and you're in USA, you might be able to use this cool feature. They're pretty picky about who gets to use it, though not everyone is eligible. So you'll find out if it's available to you when you check the app. Now, if you're one of the lucky ones, you can load some cash onto your Revolut card. It's easy peasy, but there is a small fee involved, and the store where you do it gets to collect that fee. The app will show you which stores you can go to for this. And remember, just check the app and you'll find if it's available to you. All right, just check the app and then you'll see there. All you gotta do is to locate a store near you that's on the list. You go there, you bring your physical card, Revolut card, and don't forget to cash the cash you want to deposit. You can usually add any amount from $20 to $500 depending on the store, and the best part, it'll be in your account in about an hour. And once you start a deposit, you can't change your mind, so be sure you're ready to go. And here you can see the following limits: apps to cash deposit and at participating retailers, daily limit, 7-day rolling limit, 30-day rolling limit, and here's to how to add a cash deposit from your Revolut app. To add money, change your deposit method to cash, tab unlock locations near me, select a participating retailer location, and present your Revolut card and cash amount that you wish to deposit to the participating retailer, and be sure to collect a receipt from the participating retailer confirming your cash deposit. Remember, you may be required to provide identification to the participating retailer to complete your cash deposit. Always retain the paper receipt you receive from the participating retailer as the record of your deposit, and a service fee up to 4.95 may apply to your Revolut account when you complete a cash deposit at a participating retailer. Here you can see also you can load money easily to your Revolut card account at a selected retailer via cash deposit for a small fee, and the cash deposit feature is only available for select customers of Revolut who are located within the 50 United States. If cash deposit is available to you, it will be displayed within the Revolut app. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.